Good day, everyone. You're welcome to another English class with Miss Damilola. So today we'll be talking about present and past continuous tense. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense describe actions that are happening now. Present means what is happening now. Remember when your teacher calls the attendance in school and you say present ma. It shows that you are in school at that moment. Look at the examples below. She is playing with a doll. As you can see in the picture, and the boy said, I am painting a picture. Now, what are past continuous tense? The past continuous tense describes actions that were happening at a specific time in the past and have ended. Look at the examples below. The boy said, I was playing outside yesterday. The mother may ask that, where were you? Where were you yesterday? And he said, I was playing outside yesterday. And what were they doing at 6 p.m.? They were eating dinner at 6 p.m. How do we form present continuous tense? We use am, is, are plus verb ending in ing. Do not forget that a verb is an action word. She plus is plus playing. She is playing. The play is an action word, which is a verb, and ing is being added to show it is a present continuous tense. What she is doing right now. I plus am plus painting. The boy said, I am painting. He's painting right now. Forming past continuous tense, use was, were plus verb ending in ing. They plus were plus eating. They were eating. I plus was plus playing. I was playing. Were and was indicate what? Past tense. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.